G'day, welcome back to Mods and Movements. So today I'm going to try and remove the Cyclops off this Batman build from the last video. I'm halfway through another video at the moment, but I've broken the crystal and waiting on parts, so I figured I'll just get this one done, get it recorded. Plus I want the Cyclops gone because it's just annoying. It looks good in the videos here, it looks fine. It looks a bit crooked, but it's actually really annoying to look at. I can only ever see one number. Magnification's too much. So this is certainly not a how-to video. I've just seen it done on other videos and forums and stuff. So all I've got is razor blade, Dremel soldering iron with the tip removed for a little bit of heat, and we're just gonna give it a crack. Let's see. Hopefully we don't burn anything else, but we're just trying to do little bits of heat at a time. The other videos I saw of this, it just like pops straight off. Doesn't really feel like it's doing too much harm to it. And this one's really stuck on there. Might try put a tip onto the Dremel and see how that goes. We got this tip, so it's still got an open end. Give this one a crack. If not, I've got this one, which is like a cutting. We'll see. Let's see which one works better. And this does not want to come off. This tip is going to be hot. Ask me how I know. Oh, goddamn, that's hot. What an idiot. I have taken it out of the case, as I was putting a fair bit of heat in it. I've done a bit more research and there is another method, but I'm going to try the heat once more, direct down onto it. Got him. Case is quite hot. There's a bezel. Right, we might get some alcohol or terps. We'll see if we can get rid of that. You can see there is a bit there. Okay, got a bit of alcohol. Thought that might take a bit more to get off after how long it took to come off there, but breaking that goo down nice and easily. No scratches that I can see. Touch wood. Let's clean it up and have a look. The case is still hot as, so I'm glad I took the movement out. Too hot to even hold, but that is nice. Well, while I've got the movement out, I think I might replace the seconds hand as well. So clean all this up and get set up, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're back. Now, while I've got the movement out, I'm going to swap over this seconds hand, because I've got a replacement, but the tip has a small bend in it as well, which you can see sometimes, but not all the time. But I know it's there. Got it. Now that's off, you can kind of see the bend in it. So let's put back the new one with no bend. Or attempt to, at least. I think it's on there. It's definitely on there. Just gonna get a look under the loop. I think it's pretty good. That's better. No more kink. Right. Just clean it up a little bit and then we can put it back together. Alrighty. See one little spot. There's a few little lint spots, let's see. It is absolutely stinking hot here today. It's like 33 degrees Celsius. 80-something% humidity. Very warm. Very warm. That's what you can see. So what are my gloves? Right. think quickly. Think quickly. See if the movement stays put. Yep, I think that's in. I think that is in. There's a gasket. And get it to sit. Clean up the case back. Let's have a look before we tighten it all the way. I better put the crown stem back in. Luckily, because it's not quite aligned. Alrighty. Functions. Stop. Time. Wind. GMT. Other way. And date. Good-o. Cyclops gone. Seconds hand fixed. We're back, baby. Thanks for watching. And when these parts arrive, there'll be another new video coming out. Cheers, everyone.